Good morning, everyone. We're gonna wait for another minute for everyone to join this live presentation. So let's do a quick audio and video check at the beginning. Can everybody hear me okay? Just write it in the comments, please, so I know that the audio and video stream is working correctly. Perfect. Great. Great. So can you tell us where you're joining us from? Just write the name of your country in the chat so that we see who's present. I see we have people from Serbia, Slovenia, Poland, Germany. Very nice. Very nice. Hungary. Okay. Georgia. Hello, Georgia. Nice. Okay. So let's get started. Good morning to everyone once again. This is the day I've been looking forward to for quite a long time now. So for the last 4.5 years. And today we are transforming how businesses sell and how customers buy complex products. We are introducing a revolutionary product that will help you digitalize and automate complex product sales in your company. We are launching a product that allows anyone from CEO to intern to create a stunning visual buying experience for your customers, a product that will solve the biggest pain points in your sales process. Today we're launching the SaleSqueze drag and drop configurator builder. And during this launch event, I will walk you through a process of creating a visual configurator from scratch with the new SaleSqueze configurator builder, so you see for yourself just how easy and simple it is. So what makes this product so revolutionary? I'll try to explain it with a few intro slides. So selling complex products is hard and manual. Based on my experience, extensive experience in this industry, it often feels like assembling an IKEA furniture. So there's only a few more parts to it, no Allen wrenches, no visual step-by-step instructions, and a lot more zeros to the price. And this creates all sorts of problems for your customers and for your business. So your customers usually have a hard time to see the product they are buying. They want to have the ability to play around with all the options and pricing. And they don't want to talk to sales while exploring the product. But on the other hand, they expect an instant response and service from the business. At the end, 90+% don't buy, but you still have to do all the work included. So companies, when it comes to selling complex products, they struggle a lot to help customers visualize what they're actually buying. They create countless drawings, calculations, and quotations to explain what exactly is included in the final offer. And they put high manual effort with very low sales conversion, which creates a lot of overhead costs. Visual configurators are a way to solve this, so automate the process for the customers and for the sales team, and to make the entire selling experience visual, self-service, and available online 24/7. But creating these experiences is very expensive and it takes forever to build. We've often seen projects that lasted for 5+ years and never went live at the end. Once they are built, they are very hard to maintain and become quickly outdated because of the changes that happen on a daily basis in terms of material prices updates, changes in the structure of the products, and at the end, they're usually not customer and user friendly. The vision of SaleSqueze is to enable visual configurators, digital sales, and automation for all businesses that sell complex products. And I'm very happy to say that the future of complex sales starts today. And the way we imagine it is it will be self-service. So customers will have an option to discover and customize your product directly on your website and all your other digital channels, the experience will provide instant product visuals, pricing, and quotations to the customer without you having to do all the work manually. And eventually we'll come to a point where online ordering and purchasing will be available for all the complex products. So creating a Tesla-like sales experience for any complex product. And the new drag and drop configurator builder will enable this for businesses throughout the world of any size, any complexity, and you will be able to create all of this by yourself with a PowerPoint-like experience that enables you to build product configurators very, very fast. So what it brings to the table, so the drag and drop configurator builder can be used by anyone to build a visual configurator in minutes. It simplifies life for sellers and customers, and it's really simple and really fast to build and deploy product configurators. The ROI that we observe with our existing customers, this kind of visual experiences create 3 times more leads, up to 40% more sales, and up to 90% less administration work in sales in the first 3 months after going live with such a configurator. But enough talking. So let me just show you the experience, how it looks, how it works. We're gonna be building a simple tiny house configurator, and hopefully we're gonna make it in under 5 minutes. So I already logged into the SaleSqueze Studio application where the new drag and drop configurator is now available. It's currently still in beta stage, but today we will open it up for all of you to test it out and try to play with it and create configurators. So let's start creating a new configurator, and we're gonna select start from scratch. So we want an empty playground where we can play around and create a visual experience for our customers. So I'm gonna select one of the predefined themes that are available inside and create the configurator. So let's name it Tiny House. And the basics are already prepared for us. So we have the first configuration step. I'm gonna switch the layout of this step to the left position. So this is where all the options that the users have available will be displayed. On the right side, we will have the product visualization so that users get instant feedback from their selections. And below, we have the real-time price update and the ability to add the product to the inquiry. So let's start creating the first features. So this product is gonna be very simple. We will add a wood decor feature with a datasheet that will include all our options. So for this datasheet, we're gonna create a few different properties. So first of all, the name of the option, the image, and finally the price. And for wood decor, we will enable white oak, select the product image, and add a certain price to it. And then add another option, dark oak, select the dark oak product image, and add a different price to it. Okay, so we created the first feature for our tiny house. I'm gonna drag it to the interface, change the layout to be more appealing, fix the spacing a little bit, and now we have our first product option. So this product will enable user to select the color of the facade, and it will enable the user to select the color of the terrace. So we're going to use the same data properties for both options. So let's add in a terrace. We will reuse the same datasheet and drag and drop it to our configuration. We'll include a spacing element just to make the user interface more natural. And now we are already able to preview this configurator. So this is how it's gonna look like at the end for the user. So we have two options available: wood decor, white oak, dark oak. And for the terrace, we have the same options. Okay, so the next part is to make this a little bit more usable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, okay, user has to select the wood decor feature, and they have to select the terrace feature. So the feature is required, and we'll also set some default values. So the system automatically offers the values from the datasheet. So we'll select defaults for both product features. And now we are ready to add visualization to this product. So for this specific use case, we will use the 2D rendering capability. We're gonna set a different canvas size, add the first visualization layer, and say tiny house exterior. And we're gonna upload the images that the system will then automatically use to switch between different designs when the user selects different features. So we have 4 image combinations here. You can see dark oak facade, dark oak terrace, and all the possible combinations with this scenario. So the last part that we need to do is just create a naming convention for the images. So like this. And the visualization part is done. So let's return back to the product preview. So you can see now that the product preview is already loaded, and when I start switching around, the our visualization engine is gonna display the correct version of the image based on the user selection. So the final part to make this configurator really usable is to add the pricing. So for this, we will set the basic price of this product. Let's set it to 50,000 euros. And we want, when the user selects different options, we want these options to also influence the pricing. So we return to the configuration model, and we select the options we want them to contribute to the pricing part. And if I return to the preview now, you will see that the price now gets calculated in real time. So it's 50,000 euros plus the first option plus the second option. So if I start switching around, the price will change automatically based on the user selection. So this is it. In 5 minutes, we created a visual configurator with 2 options, correct pricing, and a dynamic visualization. And this experience can be directly shared with your users to create or start creating configurations, sending inquiries, and automating your sales process. So that's for the first part. What I would like to do for the second part is introduce another thing that we added, so another feature that we added to the SaleSqueze platform, and that is product templates. So if I close this configurator now, you can start a new configurator from a predefined template that our team took a lot of effort to prepare. And this you can do if you start a new configurator with a quick start template. So currently we have templates for a bioclimatic pergola and this modular house I was showing you. So if you select this modular house template, click create, the system is going to import the predefined configurator with all the data sheets, all the pricing information, all the options, images, and the visualization part, and prepare it for you so you can just take what it's already there and start modifying to fit your product. So this configurator is slightly more advanced. It has 4 configuration steps. And if we preview it, you will see that it is fully functional and responds to a lot of different scenarios in terms of visualization. So I can even play around with wall colors, windows and doors. Everything is prepared, and it's really easy to adapt. It also includes some examples of business logic. So if you would like to have a pergola included, it's gonna update the picture. It's gonna display additional options for the pergola, and yeah, you can use that to quick start your experience with already prepared data. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, and yeah, we are now officially launching the drag and drop configurator builder for anybody that wants to try it out. There's a link in the chat for the beta version sign up. We are currently opening up 25 free trial spots. So if you would like to get access to the new drag and drop configurator builder, please click the link in the chat, and you can you will get approved to get the account. So to answer questions, yes, I only saw 2 templates. Will there be more in the future? Yes, so currently there are 2 templates available in the system, but we have a lot more in progress of making. So you can expect this template library to be expanded on a monthly basis with product templates for various different verticals like agricultural technology, machinery, industrial components, industrial equipment, medical devices. So there's quite a long list of templates that our team is preparing. Okay, will this be the only way to build configurator going forward? We're an existing customer and have gotten used to the current builder. So at this stage, the new version is opt-in, so you will have to opt in to get the new version of the configurator. But eventually, yes, this will become the only version to build configurators, and it's also going to make your life a lot easier. Does the drag and drop configurator work with 3D models? If yes, what format? Yes, so currently 3D models are in heavy development. So we are planning to release another addition to this drag and drop builder soon that will include support for GLTF files, STL files, and FBX files, so standard 3D formats. And you will be able to build the entire 3D experience inside the drag and drop builder. In which language is the configurator available? So the platform itself is multilingual by design. So you have the option to translate all the content that you see on the screen into any language that is supported inside the translation engine. So I think we currently have support for 16 different languages, and we are adding new languages so constantly when our customers request it. Who does the 3D models? Well, this is currently a joint effort. So we give you specifications on how to prepare them. Usually it's you have to provide them, or we have a network of freelance 3D artists that help you do that. But in the near future, everything will be supported inside the platform natively. So you will have the ability to import your products, so 3D models, and then add textures and play around inside the platform. I'm interested in exploring a potential partnership. Sure, would be happy to discuss that. You can reach out to me directly or to my team members, and we can schedule a call to explore what can be done in this area. Are there different ways to define prices? For example, a stable width height. Yes, so the pricing scenarios are becoming very advanced. There's a lot of ways you can influence pricing inside the configurator with the business logic and eventually with a price list. So specific examples will be covered in a video series that is gonna be coming in the next month. We already started recording some of the introduction videos for the configurator builder, but advanced scenarios like sub-configurators, pricings will be covered on our YouTube channel and in the Learning Hub section of our website. Okay, so Ida just posted a link to the product tour where you can find a lot more answers. So the configurator builder is presented in much more detail there. So it's a series of videos that walk you through the entire experience. So you can check it out and subscribe to the channel because we are adding new videos every month, and we're gonna also cover the advanced scenarios there. Okay, so this is it. Do we have any more questions? If not, I would like to invite you once again to sign up for the beta version of the new drag and drop configurator builder. We have 25 free trial spots available. You get a 30-day free trial, and you can request it through the free trial link that was in the chat. Oh, we have another question. What are the costs of this platform? I didn't find it anywhere. Yes, so to get the costs, you have to reach out to us at the moment. We sit down with every customer separately. We discuss your use cases and find the best solution to support you. So if you would like to learn more about the pricing, reach out to me directly. So my email is, I will write it in the chat. So you can reach out to me directly and we can talk in more detail about pricing and how it looks like to go live and deploy a configurator. Hello, I signed up. Could you send me the kind of model that is needed to use the trial effectively? Yes, so if you signed up for the trial, somebody from our technical team will be in contact with you and do just a short intro call where we will help you set it up and explain all the specifics that you need to cover your use case. So yes, you will be contacted by a team member to help you out with the 3D assets. Okay, so that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and very much looking forward to see you join our free trial. Yeah, thanks you and goodbye.